shower set for free. The last time that I picked up the camera, I was busy shopping and I didn't even vlog properly because also on that day it was so hot and I just wanted to get things done because like I'm not trying to be in town for so long. As the title says, I'm prepping for vacation. I'm going to see my sister who lives in Pretoria. If you didn't know, I have two older sisters. One of them lives in Pretoria and she's been living there for like the past 3 years, I think, because of work. So I'm going to go there this December for holiday. I'm really excited, but she sent me money to buy things for her, and these are the things that I had to buy for her. So firstly, she sent me to buy a fiber for her, and I know for a fact that I'm going to do her hair. Like, I just know I'm going to do her hair. But anyways, this is the fiber that she wanted me to buy. It is the French curl fibers, and this one was 103 rand at New Look Cosmetics in town. So if you like French curls, I can get you this. I got 3 packets of this. I think 3 packets will be more than enough, honestly. She then also sent me to buy her a bunch of perfume. I'm gonna put the screenshot that she sent me, like the list of the perfume that she wanted me to get. Hypnotic Potion, Only For You, Temptation After Dark, Goody Two Shoes, and Paris with Love. But since there wasn't big bottles of Paris with Love, I just bought 3 of them and I took one for myself. And also, since I spent over 500 rand at Signature, I got these products for free. Let me just show you really quickly. So I was able to get all of these products for free because if you spend over 500 rand, you get this shower set for free, and it is a body splash. So this is like body spritzer, then body wash, body lotion, body butter, and bath. So these smells are really good, especially the body butter, and it actually stays on your skin. So I'm really glad that I got this because I'm definitely going to use this. And I also picked out a perfume for myself because there was a 2 for 250 special and one was 170. So I just got this perfume for myself and I'm definitely going to use it. Like, can you see that? I love it. So those are the things that she sent me to buy for her, which was perfume and fiber. I was actually thinking, like, why doesn't she buy it there in Pretoria? But she's probably at work because her leave starts from the 1st of December. So it makes sense as to why she would send me to buy the things for her, and maybe it's even cheaper here. Anyways, I need to start packing because today is Saturday, if I didn't mention, and I'm leaving on Monday at 6 p.m. in the evening. So I still have like quite a lot of time, but rather just get the packing out of the way. So like if I see anything else that I would like to put in my bag, I just put it in instead of last minute packing. So let me start doing that. I still have like 2 days left until I leave, so whatever I see that I might need, I'll just put it in my bag. So yeah, but for the most part I'm done packing. I have all my clothes, I packed my toiletries, but obviously I didn't put it in my suitcase because I'm going to need it for the next 2 days. But I already packed it in my toiletry bag, and when it's time to leave, I'll just put it in my suitcase. Also packed like my underwear and all of that, and my shoes and pajamas and all of that stuff, and also my sister's perfume and the fiber that she asked me to buy for her. So yeah, I practically packed everything that I need. Like, my cupboard is like literally empty. I packed everything and I'm just going to take a rest because I'm so tired. Like, it's way too hot for this. Hi guys, it is the next day and I'm kind of in a rush because I need to go. Where am I going? I'm going shopping. I'm going to Canva because my mom gave me her card to buy a few things that I might need for my little vacation. So that's where I'm going right now. But I'm going to call my Uber and then we're going to leave. But for check, I'm just wearing a top, a pair of jeans and some sandals, and I just put on some glasses. I'm not even wearing jewelry because I packed those all away already. So let's go. eating my pie because I'm hungry, and all the more desks or benches are full. And I took something that I will never ever buy because I just wanted to come here and eat. So watch me. Hi guys, so I am back home now. I just need to pack the last few things that I need. Like there's still a few things that I need to pack, so I'm going to do that right now. And also gonna do a face mask, and I'm gonna do a something face mask like to extract all the oils and my pores and stuff, because my pores are very much full, so I need to extract all of that. And then I'm also gonna try and do my lashes. I'm gonna do my own lashes, cluster lashes, so we'll see how that will go. But anyways, I need to continue packing. It's just a few things that I need to pack in my carry-on bag, because I already packed my suitcase, so I just need to pack my carry-on, and then I'm gonna do a face mask and then my lashes, and then yeah. Morning guys, it is the next day. I look crusty, but like y'all should be used to it by now. Anyways, it is the next morning. Lashes are still intact, which I'm pleasantly surprised. I feel like it can last a week. Like I feel like it can, like it's very much still there. But yeah, it's the next day. It's travel day. I already washed my face, brushed my teeth, and now I need to make my bed. I need to go to Pick n Pay to buy food things for my trip, because it's like more than 20 hours I'm gonna be on the bus, so like I need food and stuff. So I need to go and buy food and water and like just snacks and stuff like that. I also need to wash dishes because like I'm home alone. It's Monday today, so everybody's at work, so obviously I'm not gonna just leave the dishes there for people to come and now wash it. So that is the plan for today. And yeah, we are traveling today. I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared because what if I go on the wrong bus and it takes me all the way to KZN? What if I go on the wrong bus and it takes me to Limpopo? The person I'm gonna miss is Shelly Bob. Shelly Bob. Are you going to miss me, my son? Are you going to miss me? Okay guys, he looks a bit ugly right now, but I promise he's actually cute. Hi guys, sorry for the bad angle, but this is a quick haul of all the snacks and foods that I got from Pick n Pay. Firstly, a packet of chips. This is my favorite flavor of Lay's. A bottle of water. Then I have Oreos. And then I bought this as dessert because why not? Like why not? I bought hot chips, but I'm gonna put this in the fridge so that I don't end up eating it. And when it's time to leave, I'll just warm it up a bit, and then this will be my dinner. And then I'm also gonna take money, like 200 rand, because there's gonna be stops. So if I'm hungry, I'm feeling for anything like a pie or anything, then I'll just buy with this 200 rand. So I feel like that's enough. Like it's not like I'm gonna be traveling for 5 days straight. It's just like 20 hours, so I feel like this will be enough. Yeah, right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and wash the dishes, and then I'm gonna bath because it is like 11:30 right now. So I'm gonna wash the dishes and then I'm going to bath, and then I'm also just gonna tidy up my room and then make sure like I have everything in my bag. I'm just gonna go through my suitcase and my carry-on bag to see that I have everything. I know I have everything, but I just need to triple check that I have everything. It's time to go on vacation. These are the energy drinks that I was talking about. My mom bought a pack of 4 and I'm only gonna take 2 because I don't think I need 4. Like that's doing too much. Like that's doing too much. And they also don't have caffeine, so that is good. Like, Hi guys, so it is much later. It's currently like 4:45 and my departure time is at 6, so I have like an hour and like 15 minutes left. But I'm right now waiting for an Uber to go to my sister's workplace because she wants me to go there so we can go together to the bus station. Like, I don't know if she thinks I'm incapable of going by myself. Maybe she thinks I'm gonna go on the wrong bus and go all the way to Limpopo. But yeah, that's the plan of action. So yeah, I'm gonna take an Uber to my sister's place and then we are going to go to the bus station together. Luckily she doesn't work far, like it's close to town because the bus station is in town. So yeah, that's the end of this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm just looking for my Uber, but hopefully you guys enjoyed, and of course I'm gonna start a brand new vlog right here right now. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.